Oh, excuse me. Welcome to Lifestyle After 5. I was just on my phone checking my email. Sorry about that. Welcome back to another episode where today, me and my co-host Lloyd Shue, we're going to talk about the benefits of no phone before 9 a.m. and putting it down after 9 p.m. I know it's going to be hard to live with. Can y'all do that? I'm going to be one that's going to struggle with that as well. First thing I do when I wake up in the morning is I pick up my phone. I want to read my emails. I don't know. I want to check Facebook. I want to check social media. I want to do everything before I even get out of the bed and brush my teeth. So this is gonna be hard for me. And definitely it's the last thing I do when I go to sleep. I go to sleep and I'm reading and I'm catching up on that last minute post and then I drift off to sleep. How are you with that, shoe?
Honestly, yeah, I'm about as bad as that. I be doing Duolingo early in the morning. So when I
I do
first
that too
wake
at
up,
night.
yeah, that'd be my thing is
But that's
Duolingo.
acceptable. But we're gonna get into that a little bit later. Duolingo may be the exception to the rule. It's a nonsense task that we do
Oh
before
yeah.
9 a.m. and after 9 a.m. that's not productive. Facebook can wait
Uh,
unless you are making
yeah.
money or
Unless
got
you're
a
making money.
TikTok store. Unless
Yep.
it's a TikTok store or you making money on Facebook and it's absolutely necessary for life or business. Your status update can wait.
Yeah.
You get who sweet. But no, we're gonna discuss the benefits today of putting that phone down and how it can make a difference in your life and how it can change how you do everything in your morning routine. So do I mean you like you said, you mentioned you have have this problem. Have you ever thought about not picking your phone up first thing in the morning?
Um. Usually, I try to actually the trick that I did was instead of keeping my phone in the room, I took my phone either out of the room and like put it in
Oh
a totally
wow.
separate room, or I put it under my bed. So when I my alarm went off in the morning, I would have to go under my bed and grab like do extra work to wake myself up because that was part of my like morning routine. And y'all should watch that episode if you haven't already, where we talk about morning routines because this kind of like
Exactly.
goes hand in hand. But yeah, that was like my thing because I'm addicted to social media because it's a part of my job. So I'm always seeing like looking for trends and stuff like that. But I'm just as guilty as the next person when it comes to doom scrolling, where you just get caught up in that loop. You're just like, man, these
But
videos could go on forever.
it's really a problem because a lot of Gen Zers and a lot of people out here now suffer with anxiety disorder, nervousness and
Yeah.
anxiety, and some have attributed to
Mhm.
social media, well, and actually just being on your phone all the time to anxiety. And they're saying that when you use your phone first thing when you wake up, it triggers a auto response that creates stress throughout your day. So
True.
there's actually could be some health benefits to putting that phone down, doing something productive versus just getting in there and just on the go and just on your phone, checking everything every moment, every second. I mean, most people I know they feel like they're gonna die if they lose their phone. It's like
Yeah, for
losing a
real.
kid. I was out in the store on Saturday doing some shopping, and this
Hmm.
woman comes up to me frantically. Of course, I had my phone in my hand, and she's like, "Can you do me a favor? This is my phone number. Can you call me? I set my phone down somewhere. I don't know where it could be." And I'm calling her number, and I'm calling it back to back, and she's just going through clothes, like maybe it got in, put it within, mixed in with clothes or
Dang.
whatever. I mean, she's just looking like frantically or whatever, and all over the store like she lost a child. Hopefully, she found her phone, but I told her
Yeah.
to go see if someone picked it up and turned it in. So hopefully that
Mhm.
lady found her phone, but I know that's almost like missing a pet
Pretty
nowadays.
much. Yeah. I mean, because with the smartphones now, they have everything integrated credit cards and all kind of stuff. So yeah, you basically losing your life out low key when you lose your phone now. But
But
delaying phone use in the morning time, you give yourself a chance to naturally wake up, practice mindfulness. So, like you said, people waking up and using their phone right away, and then you're not wearing glasses like these, so now you just like radiation. It's so many different
mhm.
factors health wise that just waking up without it is refreshing.
Last we spoke a little bit about and alluded to in our last episode of the benefits of waking up early. Even the experts say, starting your day off with meditation and light exercise, and maybe even a good healthy breakfast can do wonders for your mood and focus. A lot of us have a lot of time, have a hard time focusing. If it ain't on
True.
the screen, yeah, we can't focus. 90-minute clip, 5 minutes, whatever, and we're done.
Yo, for
So
real. I'm noticing too on TikTok when have you seen the videos where it's like two or three videos in one? Like all in one TikTok reel?
yeah, the part one, the part they get me. I get baited, and that's what gets me late at night. That's when I have to put my phone down because I get into these series and these part one, part two, part three, and then it really
Oh my god.
pisses me off on TikTok because they should have like a next button where it just automatically moves the video because you got to go down in the little link thing, you got to click it, and then you got
Mhm.
this guy or go to their page, and you got to find the part one. And I wear glasses, so some of the writing is small, and then you got to try to find that part. And sometimes you click on the wrong one, and it's part three when you're looking for part five, and it's like, give me a break. TikTok, please do a next button in or a series button or something. Or maybe I'm just old. I'm Gen X.
Nah, bro. Nah, you right. They should make it way more accessible. But it's just crazy seeing how there's two different videos in one video playing at the same time, bro. And people are watching. That's how blown
Hmm.
like people's attention span is. They have to literally watch two videos and on top of each other, bro. And you literally what? It's just crazy. So yeah, I can see how people get anxious and you got to take melatonin and stuff just to go to sleep because their brain is just so wired from watching that stuff.
Well, I should say they said and studies say that using your phone late at night can interfere with your sleep, and you suppressing you like you have to take melatonin and things that the just to try to get sleep, but you have to create a healthy routine in bedtime. And they was talking about
Yeah.
that screen interferes with it. And if you put it down and do some activities like calming your mind, take a nice warm
Hmm.
bath, read a book. I don't recommend you turning on TV either because there's negative
Might as well
benefits
be the
to.
same thing.
Yeah, pretty much TV to me is the same thing because they always used to tell us you don't want to watch television before bed. Matter of fact, some success people I remember Oprah in the interview talking about she don't even have a TV in her bedroom.
Yeah.
Bedtime should be for bed. It should be some reading, meditation, getting focused, writing out as we talked about in the previous episode, planning your next day, putting your thoughts together, reflecting upon the day, giving your mind and brain time to rest.
Yeah.
People don't realize that your brain has the rest. It's kind of like when your phone, if you well, nowadays the phones are a lot better, but back in the day when you had too many apps on your phone and they were running in the background and you were trying to use another app, it would
Hmm.
just crash the phone. That's
It will
kind of how your
crash the whole
brain
phone.
works. Yeah. That's why we
Exactly.
stress. That's why we stress. We're tired, but we can't sleep. We can't focus. Our brain got too many apps working in the background. Some you may have 5 or 6 apps working. You're thinking about work. You're thinking about your family. You're thinking about the weekend. You're thinking about bills. So you got all these apps that's actively open, and then in the background, you got so and so unfriended me. Oh, they talking about me. I can't believe they said this about me. Oh, so and so don't believe in me. They don't think that I'm good enough. So all of that is running in the background like an app,
Yeah.
and it's messing with you. And you have to what they call refresh, restart, declutter your
Yep.
mind,
Clear the
reset,
cache.
clear the cache. That's what I'm looking for.
Yep.
Clear the cache. But like I said, there is health benefits to this.
Hmm.
And I'm one that suffers from anxiety myself. So I'm definitely looking forward. Although it's going to take some discipline to do, just like getting up early. But the combination of getting up early and not using my phone before 9 and putting it down at 9 p.m. I mean, it's gonna be challenges, but the benefits as I go on this journey,
Yeah.
I'm hoping to be well worth it.
Well, we
But
got
too,
all of our whole family, bro. Our whole internet family gonna be with us.
yeah, y'all got to join us. Like and subscribe with us and join this journey with us
Yeah.
as we got a whole series of things that we're going to do to reinvent ourselves in the next 6 months. Like I said, we July. Actually, it's less than 6 months now because we're already
Yep.
July the 7th month. So we just about time for the new year, 2025. We should be ready to go to the next level and see a change. So it's not too late to jump on here. By November we'll start doing mind maps and vision boards.
Yep. Prepping for the next year. So y'all stay tuned for those. Stay tuned and put all of your experience in the comments. Let us know what's going on. How is your journey going? Because we interested in connecting with everybody. As you can see in the corner over here by Ali, the QR code for our Discord. Scan that and you can join it. Yeah, join it. We all in there every day. The whole Lifestyle After Five crew and some people that you meet that are artists across the world, entrepreneurs across the world.
Yeah, it's definitely something you don't want to miss. Now, for those of you that are in relationships, married, and have kids, they're saying
Mhm.
reducing your phone use can actually benefit your family life and relationship health. As it's nothing to go out to dinner and you see families, everybody got their phone in their hand and nobody's focused on each other. Try
Yeah.
communicating or plan a board game. I'll help you connect with your spouse, significant other, your children, bond with your pet. There's all types of things that you can be doing with that time besides being on the phone. Well,
Well, I was
like I
gonna
said
say
before,
engaging in hobbies can help too.
exactly, and help you plan. There is waking up. If you're getting up early at 6 o'clock, and like I said, you're have financial things to do, that's business. I can understand that you're being productive with your day. You're getting up, you're doing some Duolingo,
Hmm.
you're listening to an audio book. That's productive. That's moving your life forward. Now, I would not recommend those things after 9 p.m. Getting up early, if you're going to use your phone to enrich your mind or for basic benefit, for the benefit of self improvement,
Hmm.
then I would say, okay, that's fine. But don't stray away from that. Only necessary, what you have to necessary things. Don't drift over into Facebook or anything else when you should be, listening to that audio book. And but when it comes to being late 9 p.m., that can affect your sleep. So I wouldn't
Yep.
encourage people to do that. I guess they say in summary, you need to set boundaries with your cell phone. And 9 p.m. and
Yeah.
you can adjust these times however you see. Some people may want to go 8, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. We just setting the standard of 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. But you can adjust these however you see fit within that 12-hour window, whatever works for you.
Yep.
The
Yeah.
benefits
I
are
agree with you
definitely
on
there
that, man.
as it reduces stress and it improves your sleep. And like I said, it can enhance your overall quality of life.
I really believe in tech detoxes before important, even not only just sleeping, but also important events or if you got like a test. Because really, like Ali said, if you really focusing on specific tasks when you're on your phone, then that's cool. But even being on your phone before you got to do like a recital or you got to play piano for the president, you got to think like how focused am I really on the task at hand? So just putting that out there. I think it's really important to just have a tech detox an hour before anything important that you have to do in life in general. So that's pretty much all I have to say. As always, I always want to encourage everybody to join us on this journey. Like Ali said, we over the hump now. It's pretty much past 6 months. We pretty much in the heading into quarter 4. It's time to get clutch up. It's time to we gotta win this championship ring. So
Definitely.
Y'all just stay tuned for the next episode. Keep watching and join us on this journey. That's all I gotta say. Ali, is anything else you need to say, bro?
Well, I mean, that's all for today's episode of Lifestyle After Five. If you found this discussion helpful, please like and subscribe and share your journey with us. And if you got any tips to help us along the way, drop those in the comments. Until next time,
Yes,
we'll catch you on the
please.
next episode.